Use match properties to set a property in a property set, based on another property via a CSV file. In this example, there is a corridor with exported corridor solids with a property set called NV corridor applied. The status for the solids will be added, and in this case, the status will depend on the code, and this solid is coded subbase. Bring up the property palette and select the property set, and click Search to select all the objects with the NV corridor property set. Run the command under the CSV dropdown and select the CSV file. The CSV file defines what property to match and add to. In this example, the code will match the status via the CSV file. The CSV file then need a column for code and another for the status. Choose the property set that should be matched, and select the first property from the property set to match with which column in the CSV file. In this case, the code will match the code in the CSV file. There is a possibility to match another property as well. Select which property set to add the information to. Tick Property Filter to either use a previously created filter or type the codes in the box below, separated by semicolons to manually filter the properties. Use Skip to skip the properties entered, or use Read to only add information to the entered properties. Note that in later versions of Naviate, there is a possibility to save the settings to a filter, which then will show up under Predefined Filter. Click OK to complete, and the property for status is now added to the property set. Another way of using the Match Properties function can be if a property is already set manually, and the object the property set was created for have been updated, then match properties can be run to get the information for the property back to the new object.